You gon' be the greatest, honey. Show 'em what you made of, honey. You gotta keep that.
What is up, you guys? Rochelle Diamante here, and today I'm going to be making you cocktails once again because we all know how well that worked out last time. It is the holiday season, and as we know, this year has been the absolute, the #1 worst year in all of history. So, what better way than to drown our sorrows in alcohol? No, just kidding. No, bad. That would be very bad. Don't do that. But I will make some very delicious, very tasty cocktails that you can definitely pull out at your COVID-friendly party. Just you and your immediate family and maybe one friend. So here's the other thing though. I don't exactly have all the ingredients. So we're gonna have fun. We're gonna make some COVID holiday drinks. I might just come up with the next big drink. You never know. So let's get going. The first one I'm gonna make is called a Bailey's Holiday Martini. The ingredients for this is Bailey's Irish Cream, a Smirnoff No. 21 vodka, Godiva chocolate liqueur, and a raspberry. What I have here is not Bailey's, but it is a Bailey's knockoff, so at least we're close, we're there. I do actually happen to have No. 21 vodka. I don't have any chocolate liqueur, but what I do have is chocolate. That is right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be making my own chocolate liqueur. So we're gonna add all these things to a shaker, which luckily I do have that. So far, so bueno. Okay, wait, I need ice. Put some ice in here. Then we're gonna put some of this stuff. 2 ounces. So I've been told, and I'm probably very wrong, but I think if I put my thumb here and then I measure up to there, that's 1 ounce. Ooh, that looks so delicious. So we put this in there. Oh, that is more, but you know what? It's 2020. If the gods above want us to drink more than the recipe calls for, then you know what? We have to listen. We're gonna put some vodka. A 1/4 ounce. How am I supposed? 1/4 ounce. Let's see. If this is 1 ounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna put as much as I want. How about that? Okay. As much as 2020 has made me suffer. This is a giant bottle. Boom. I like to think of myself as someone who's got very good instincts in the kitchen. You put. Oh God. Yeah. Alright, new discovery. This is my favorite part. Oh God, it's cold. Wait, I forgot the chocolate! We're doing this again, guys. Here's what I'm gonna do, guys. Look at how clever I am. So I have some chocolate. I have a grater. Whoo! Like I said, I think of myself as like a connoisseur in the kitchen, you know? Okay, we got some chocolate in there. To make it like more liqueur-y, we'll add a little more vodka. Like a tiny bit. Boom. There we go. Chocolate liqueur. Chocolate liquor. We're ready to taste this baby. We're gonna strain it into a martini glass. Don't have a martini glass, but what I do have is a margarita glass. Same thing, different shape. Ooh. Like with those shavings of chocolate in there? Like this is amazing. Oh, here we go. Put some chocolate shavings on top. Garnish with a raspberry. We're gonna put a couple just like floating in the drink. Oh, you're not very floaty. Put one on the rim. It's so salty. And there you have it. Let's take a little sippy sip. It smells very strong. I mean, it is kind of strong, but then it's also like super minty. And then like you taste that sugar from the Bailey's knockoff and it's super good. So I'm gonna call this baby a COVID holiday drink. Ooh, better one. Let's call it Santa Stay 6 feet away from me. The next one that we are going to be doing is called Peppermint Bailey's Christmas Cocktail. Now, this looks very simple and delicious, but is it? That is what we're here to find out. This one says to mix Bailey's peppermint vodka in a shaker. It says a little goes a long way. I say a little does not go far enough. I don't have peppermint vodka, but I have regular vodka. And you know what else I have? Some mint tea. Put some ice into the shaker. Now we're gonna put some Bailey's in there. 4 ounces. All right, we're doing this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 1 ounce of vodka. Now, it says peppermint vodka. As I said, I do not have peppermint vodka, but I do have mint tea. Am I crazy to think that I should put that tea bag in the shaker? All right, let's try it out. Now we put some ice into the glass. Woo, that's minty. Strain it out. Ooh. Okay, hold on. That's good. The mint is so intense. I think that tea bag just really like oomphed it up there. It actually is very good. Whew, yup, delicious. Okay, moving on to the next one. The third and final cocktail we are going to make. Bailey's Mint Martini. We need Bailey's from the mint liqueur. Okay, so no to that. Vodka, half and half, and some ice. All right, fill the shaker with ice. 1 ounce of Bailey's. 1 ounce. And the creme de menthe liqueur. You know what? Instead of the creme de menthe liqueur, I think I'm just gonna put another ounce of Bailey's. Feeling pretty good about this. Then we're gonna put an ounce of vodka, half and half. So I don't have that. But what I do have, some coffee cake Dunkin' Donuts creamer. Now, I would just like to thank my brain for coming up with this amazing idea. 1 ounce. Yeah, buddy. Then we shake it up. Strain it into a martini glass. Margarita glass it is. Smells good. This looks the best. Garnish with whipped cream and chocolate shavings. Where's my chocolate? Whipped cream. Do we have any whipped cream? Ah! Aha! Damn, it's like a science experiment. I was trying to be all graceful with it. Ah! I'm excited about this one because it's got that Dunkin' Donuts in it. Let's find out. This is the best cocktail I've ever made. Wow. This is the winner. Easily, this is the winner. Yes! I think I just invented a new thing. Guys, put your coffee creamer in your martinis, okay? As I said, I have really good instincts, and I was right once again. This one, I would like to call, maybe we should name it after the one thing I did not put in here. The creme de menthe liqueur COVID drink. Cheers, enjoy. Well, that is all. I just wanted to show you those 3 delicious, easy, elegant, and classy holiday drinks that you can serve to yourself and yourself only because we are not safe with anybody else. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. I know that hasn't been easy, but I am wishing all of you guys so much love and health, and I hope that regardless, we are all able to appreciate each other, love each other, and celebrate the holidays. So, have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below any other recipes that you have. Maybe other viewers would like to know. Go ahead and comment that in the comments. If you ever try one of these, please tag me. My Instagram handle is right here. I appreciate you guys so much, so have an amazing day, and I love you, and cheers.
You gon' be the greatest. Show 'em what you made of.